Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button to be notified whenever I post a new video. Ayan, masyado ako magalaw. Ayun, so for today's vlog, I'm gonna show you how I created this simple graduation makeup look. So, ang ginamit ko lang dito ay lahat ng affordable products and halos nabili ko sila sa TikTok shop. So, ayun. Napakadali lang niyang gawin at napakasimple pero napakaganda, o di ba? So if you want to know how I come up with this, how I came up pala with this makeup look, just keep on watching. So the first step is to prepare your skin. I'm using this Lux Organics Cica Gel for my moisturizer. Next is to put your lip balm. This is from Sassy Lady in the shade number 1. So to make your makeup last longer, I'm using this primer from Beauty Glaze. So this will hold the makeup. At the same time, it will make the base look good. So for my foundation, I'm using this cushion from Sassy Lady in the shade number 2. And this will serve as the base of my makeup. At the same time, it will cover all the blemishes that I have. So it has a light to medium coverage, and remember to just press it on your skin. So this is a side-to-side comparison with and without the cushion. Next, to cover my under eyes, I will use this concealer from Maybelline. It is very important to use a concealer, especially if you have dark under eyes, and at the same time, it will help your face to look more brighter. The next step is to set your face, and I'm gonna use this setting powder from Sassy Lady. It claims to be water and sweat proof, so it will make your makeup last longer. So for my brows, I'm gonna use an eyebrow gel first in order to coat my eyebrow because I have thick eyebrows. So this is from Focallure. Next is I'm gonna use an eyebrow pencil from Ashley Shine Cosmetics, and I'm just gonna fill out the areas that I need more products. At the same time, it will make my eyebrows look more defined. So for the most exciting part, the eyeshadow, I'm gonna be using the palette from Beauty Glaze. For my transition color, I'm gonna use this light brown shade. Just tap off the excess and then blend it on your eyes. Next is I'm gonna get a new brush, and then I will get this darker shade and put it on the outer corners of my eyelids just to make it more defined. Then you need to get a clean blending brush in order to blend the products in order to avoid that cakey or not so good eyeshadow. So for my under eyes, I'm gonna use this medium light color brown eyeshadow in order to make my eyes look more awake, at the same time more defined, and it will match the color of my eyelids. Next is to put a shimmer eyeshadow to make the eye look more cuter and mas maganda. Next is to put a liquid eyeliner. So it's up to you if you want to go to a more simple eyeliner or you do a cat eyeliner. Next is I'm gonna curl my lashes, and then I will put my mascara. So I'll be using this one from Maybelline, the Sky High mascara. So I will use a false eyelashes to make this look more elegant. be sure to measure the size of the eyelashes in order for it to fit well on your eyelids. So for my nose contour, I'm gonna use this light brown shade. To make the eyes look more pop, I will be using this shimmery shade to highlight my inner corner. So for my blush on, I'm gonna use this Choo Choo Beauty. And I'm gonna put this on the hollows of my cheeks to make it more awake and blooming. O, diba? So for the last step, I'm gonna be using this Baron Bliss liquid lipstick. So this set as a matte, and it is very, very beautiful in your lips. It will make the look more simple and parang Korean ang peg. So this is the final look. So that's it. That is my graduation makeup look. I hope that you learned something from me and that you will be able to apply this on your graduation or recognition or kung ano pa man na okasyon. Napakasimple lang nitong gawin at the same time. Bagay siya sa lahat ng occasion at ayun lang. Diba? Ang ganda. Gandang-ganda ako sa sarili ko ngayon. And pardon na lang sa clip ko kasi hindi ko na masyado kung paano ko ayusin ang aking buhok. So it's up to you how to fix your hair. It's either pwede nyo kulutin, pwede nyo straight, or kung ano pa man ang gusto nyo gawin. Basta, ganito yung magiging outlook ng inyong makeup. O diba? Ang simple lang and fresh lang. O diba? At the same time, yung mga ginamit kong products is very long lasting. So, hindi ka matatakot na mahagard sa yung graduation day. So, ayun lang. Thank you for watching. I hope that you will subscribe to my YouTube channel.